She put this in her hair twice a week. Now her hair is very long. Having long, healthy hair is a dream of many women in all parts of the world. However, getting it is not an easy task, as there are many factors that undermine its development. However, in order to achieve this goal, many women spend hours at beauty centers. There they apply all type of treatment to give health and shine to your hair. But these chemical-based products, all you do is further damage the hair. Therefore, we will show you a natural remedy that takes care of your hair while it grows. Unlike chemicals, this treatment will not cause any damage to the hair. On the contrary, it will keep you beautiful and healthy for much longer than any chemical. If you want to learn how to prepare the mask, pay attention to the following instructions. Mask to accelerate hair growth. What we will need: milk or water 1/2 cup, extra virgin olive oil 2 tablespoons, egg 1 unit, gelatin powder 1 tablespoon, apple cider vinegar 1 tablespoon, conditioner the one of your preference. Preparation and use: 1. First, we must warm up enough milk or water, as we have chosen. When it is very hot, we put the gelatin in it along with the olive oil, egg and conditioner. Now, we just have to wait for the mixture to cool and then proceed to apply it to the hair. 2. This mixture should apply very well in all your hair, from the root to the tip. To do this, you will have to use your fingertips and gently massage the scalp. In case your hair is long, you will have to use double the ingredients to be able to cover everything. Finally, let it act for 20 or 30 minutes and wash hair with shampoo and water in abundance.